Hey everyone, I'm here again at a running track. Just about to finish this lap here. I've got the half-pound cross rope waiting for me on the ground. And every lap or so, I've been doing some jump rope. Add a little bit of fun and variety to the movement pattern. Speaking of which, I'll put down the phone here for a second. So when I'm running, I'm propelling my body forwards like so. When you're jumping rope, you're going up and down. The motion is a little bit different. But even let's say you're jumping rope, you're doing the basic 2-foot hop here, jumping with your 2 feet together, maybe doing some boxer skips. The motion is up and down a lot of the times, double unders. So what you can do is to vary that foot pattern where you're using your legs. You can throw in some side straddles where you go from side to side like so. You can do some side boxer skips like so. You can do some skier hops going from side to side. You can even do some diagonal crosses. So compare this motion, pushing my legs out as opposed to going just up. So when you're skipping, you can vary the footwork. Here I'm going up and down, and I'm going out to the sides, and boxer skip out to the sides, back into some double unders. So you can play around with the different use of your legs as opposed to just going up and down. You can use your legs, pushing them from side out to the side before bringing them back in. And of course, then you could also make use of space if you have it and move around as you skip. All right, so hope you enjoyed that short video.